have you found the condition for doing LU decomposition?
Yes,
Sir, R2 is in a
Yes. Before that, yes, tell me, please. Go ahead.
so like if A has an LU decomposition, then its leading submatrix have non-zero determinants. That's the condition of LU decomposition.
Okay, good, Anshu. Okay, we will give the opportunity to others. Let others go ahead. Yes, it was right. Absolutely. Anyone.
The determinants of 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 should not be 0, sir. Then only LU decomposition is possible.
Very good. Can you little more make a little detail note about it? What it mean 1 cross 1 and 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3? What it mean? Say with example. Example 9.
Like here, when we take 1 cross 1, the determinant is 0, sir. Like 12 minus 6 into 2.
Yes. Wait, just a minute. 1 cross 1 in the sense we need to consider this one. This alone. That is 1 cross 1. Okay. Then
2 cross 2.
This is usually called as an A11. A11 is equal to 1. Okay. Then
A22 equals to 12 minus 6 into 2.
Just a minute. Now tell me, what is A22?
12 minus 6 into 2.
Is this what the issue with this 2? Now the A11 is equal to 1. Yes. Now A22 is equal to
0.
0. How?
12 minus 6 into 2.
Yes, this is what our concern. 12 minus 2 again 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, it has 0 entity. Then A33, considering all the 3 cross 3 rows might be A33. Here there no need to have a conscious about A33 because already the condition is 0. Therefore, it should not be possible to give LU decomposition. So that is what your first question. See here, show that A does not have an LU decomposition. Then what might be the answer? If the leading minus or 0, then it is not feasible to get an LU decomposition. That is what your answer. You need to write that the leading minus or leading principal matrix and submatrix. In that way, we need to write and we need to write the answer. So here the leading minus A22 is 0. Therefore, it does not have LU decomposition. Then what we need to do?
By interchanging the R2 and R3 like rows, then determinants will not be 0.
Yes, of course. The determinant of A11, A22 as well A33 should not be 0. Then we can get an LU decompositions, and that is what the condition for getting an LU decomposition. Any clarification with this LU decomposition?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Molya.
Sir, I didn't know the conditions, so I just started solving it, and I found out U11, U12, and everything. And in the third row, second column, I got minus 6 is not equal to minus 3. So then I wrote that LU decomposition is not possible. Is that fine?
Yes, yes, very good. And since with the coefficients we will deal, let others can also understand what was your point. Yes, now tell me. You try to solve this. Whether my slides are visible, Amulya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're visible.
Yes, you started to solve these equations. Okay.
Yes.
Then what was your point?
Sir, I got U11 as 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
U22.
No, sir, not this question. This is a different question.
No, not to understand the use. I am
Okay.
presenting this one.
Okay. Sir, I got U11 as 1, U12 6, and U13 as 2. I solved the rest of them. And while I was finding L32, like the third row, second column, I got an equation minus 6 plus 0 is equal to minus 3.
0 is equal to minus 3.
Yeah. So then I wrote LU decomposition is not possible.
Concerning U22, that might also be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Your U22 is also 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, it should not be 0. All the U and L terms has some values. It does not 0. Therefore, yes, it is another way to get the solution. My appreciations. You try to solve the questions. Is the thing is, if we got, unfortunately we didn't try with these leading principal or leading minor matrices. If we are getting U2 to 0 or any other terms of 0 or any other this misconceptions, then making an understanding about we won't get any solution via this LED compositions, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other opinion, any other views, any clarifications with the LED composition? Good, you tried. My appreciations. I think the interactions are very minimal. Okay, concerning today's class, we request some people to join with us till the end. I think this is our 5th class. We request the 21 to 25, that is 82 to 100. 8 Pranav Sai, Sanjay, Sarabi.
Sir, I joined yesterday.
Yesterday you were introduced, Pranav sir, right?
Yeah.
It's okay. You take rest. You listen alone. 93. Okay, 93, 95, 97, 100. Tabarish,
Sir.
Sasi Kumar, Sitesh, Ashok, Gaikwad.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, you please stay with us till the end. Tabarish.
Sir.
Tabarish.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tabarish, have you tried the example 9, Tabarish?
Sir, I went to internet and checked the conditions, sir, but I didn't know what to do, sir, after that.
Okay. Today you please get the solution and we'll discuss the answers in the subsequent class, right?
Yes.
Okay. And yesterday we were along with the LU decomposition, we were introduced the tridiagonal system and the Thomas algorithm and or the tridiagonal matrix algorithm, which can be used to get the solution as a second part of LU decomposition when the matrix as an tridiagonal system. We can depend these Thomas algorithm in order to get the solutions, right? In yesterday class, I have shown this example 10, that is solving the tridiagonal system, which has various coefficients, and we have the RHS 40.8, 0.8, 0.8, and 200.8. Okay, this is what the first the decomposition. See here, when we have the lower triangular and upper triangular matrix, apart from the this row, this sub and super diagonal terms, if it is 0, then here instead the L22 and L31, L32 this can also be 0 in LU decomposition. Similarly, this term is also 0. See here very importantly, in upper triangular matrix, the terms are kept as it was in the given problem. Okay, well, in which in usual conditions what we did, we made the lower triangular matrix main diagonal as 1, and then the lower triangle, all the lower triangular portions as L21, like L31, L32, L41, L42 and L43. And concerning the upper triangular matrix, we were started to write from the upper triangular portion, that is main diagonal, and rest we were continued with this distinct designation, that is U1 1 1, U2 1, U3 1, similarly till U44 we did. But the Thomas algorithm stating in order to have the upper triangular portions, that is super diagonal, should be -1 as similar to that of the given problem, and the upper portion is equal to 0, and similarly in the lower triangular portion the lower term should be 0 apart from the subdiagonal, apart from this subdiagonal term. Okay, then equate this with the given A. This is what we were the given problem, that is Ax is equal to B. Let we were considering A is equal to Lu. This is what are L and U, and hope
So
you
this thing
noted
can
down. Yes,
thing
yes,
can be used
yes.
only for tri-diagonal systems, sir, or like
Yes,
it is
pardon,
only
pardon. Little louder, little louder.
this particular thing can be used only for tri-diagonal systems, sir.
Yes, of course.
And like
This
you
can.
took -1, -1 in the U matrix, that is generally you just took it, right? Or is it because in that particular matrix you have -1?
Yes, while solving some more problem, we'll get an idea whether we are keeping the input as it was, or we are changing based on our convenience, or it will be uniform. We need to maintain with -1. I'll hope you'll understand with the getting solution of subsequent problems.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other clarifications? Hope that there won't be any issue. And see what we did. We were returned. We are going to do matrix multiplications and write the first column at the top and do the multiplication with 1 by 1. And similarly do the matrix multiplication with rest of all the columns in the second part with the first part, that is first matrix. And now this should not be considered this alone, that is U11. See here, that is first column U11. U11 is equal to 2.04, and now L here L21 into U1 plus 0 is equal to -1, and the rest part. See the rest part, when we are multiplying the U11 0, that becomes 0. L32 into 0, that is also 0. 0 with U11 and 0 into 0. Okay, the first column is over. Multiplication of the first column is over, and do the multiplication with this term. That was the second column. Take your calculator. Take your calculator. Now -1 plus 0, and the rest terms are 0. Then leave the -1 is equal to -1. That becomes -1 is equal to -1. Then here the second column, do the multiplication with the here second row. -1 into L21, therefore L21 minus L21, and here U22 into 1, therefore U22 is equal to 2.04. Yes. Now find the value of U. Apply the value of here. When we are applying the value of 2.04, what we will get? What is our L21? Barish. Sheshai Kumar, you take your calculator and tell me the results. What is our L21?
It's Shashi Kumar, sir.
Sasi Kumar, sorry, Sasi Kumar. Sasi Kumar, what
Sir.
is our L2? Minus 2.04. If it is so, what is U22? Here apply the value of minus 2.04, then find the value U22. Minus or minus becomes 2.04, then what would be the U22?
0.
0. Okay.
0.
Okay. Then here do the multiplication with the third row. 0 into minus 1 becomes 0. Then U22 will start from L. L32 into U22. That is second term. Here also the second term is minus 1. And when our U22 is equal to 0, then L32 is equal to Sasi Kumar.
Sir.
L32 is equal to, that's also 0.
Yes.
Yes. Then do the multiplication with the fourth row. Then when we are concerning about the fourth row, that becomes 0. Okay, now continue with the third column. Right, now I am continuing with the third column. This third column, write the third column at the top and do the multiplication. While doing multiplication in the first row,
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, it doesn't have any influence. Yes.
How is L21 minus 2.04, sir? So U11 is 2.04, sir. So L21 into U11 is minus 1.
Apply this one. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So L2 will be 1 by
yes,
2.04.
Yes. 1 by, what would be the results? Minus 1 by 2.04. Yeah, the answer.
0.49.
0.490.
0.
Okay. Now apply the value of 0.490 in this equation. Instead L21 you apply minus. We have minus na minus 0.490. What is U22? 2.04. No, this becomes minus or minus plus. Here it becomes plus.
Yes, sir. 1.55.
No. Yes, 1.55. 5. Yes, 5.
549 something. Approximately 5.
No. You be precise with 3 digits. Be precise with 3 digits. Okay. Apply this with this equation, that is L32, and find the L32. Minus 1 divided by 1.549.
So 0.645, sir.
0.645. Anyway, I'll show these answers in the subsequent move. Now concern about very good. I think Pranav found the answers. Or Prasant, who found the corrections?
Sir, Miss Vignesh, sir.
Vignesh, very good. Very good. That is what essential. Yes. When we are doing the same with you, I think you are all parallelly copying with your notebook. I hope if it is not, you try to copy down everything with your notebook. During when we are dealing with the problematic, it is essential to have the practice. By observing, by listening alone, you cannot become a master in the problematic subject. So I request you to have a separate notebook and please copy down. You practice the given homeworks then you become a master in one particular subject. And now the third column, concerning the third column, there won't be any first term, all are 0. Then the second term, do the multiplication with the second term, and now that is also 0. The third term, that is L32, 0 into 0, L32 into -1 minus L32 plus U33 is equal to 2.04. Then we have the value of L32, apply the value of L32 as minus 0.4645. Then what would be the answer for U33? U33. U33?
1.395.
1.395. 395.
Sir,
Okay.
it's minus 1.645, sir.
Minus of minus become plus, therefore yes, 0.6, subtract this, that is 2.04 minus 0.645. Any correction with the answer? 1 point?
So minus 1.645, sir. Overall minus, sir.
U33 becomes minus. How?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, we know that L23 is L32 is minus 0.645, sir.
Okay.
In that equation, like we get, oh sorry, sir. I took minus, sir. Instead
Okay.
of
Okay. What is U3? No issues. You calculate and tell.
1.395.
1.395.
395.
395, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Then do the multiplication with the fourth row. L43 into U33 plus 0, isn't it? But we are not doing so. We are not doing so. L43 into U33 plus 0, that becomes 0, right? Here L43 into U33 plus 0 is equal to. Okay, now concern why we didn't consider, so I'll tell you. Now I am concerning about the fourth column. Right, this is what the fourth column, right? This will influence over the last term, that is L. Instead here 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. I have made it as 3, 3. This is not 3, 3. This is 4, 3. Right. Therefore, the answer should be
So L43 is minus 0.71.
L43.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we'll find here. We missed L43, right? The third column, I think we missed. Just a minute. See.
Yes, sir. L43 into U33 is minus 1. L43 into U33.
L43 U33
is minus 1.
Into 0, that becomes minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1, right here. Okay. Well, once we got L33, then the L43, we can find the value of L43. What would be the L43? That is minus 1 divided by 1.395. What is our L43?
Minus 0.716.
0.716. Okay.
Yes. So there is
Yes,
no
yes,
L33.
yes. There is no L33. Just a minute. Here.
That equation is wrong, sir.
Yes, here this,
sir.
this is what L43. Here L43. Okay, here, this is also L43, and this is what U44. Right. Now you please make a note of these answers. U11 what you found is right. Here for minus 4.09. Yes. U22. Yes, someone said 1.549. Yes, 55 1.55. L32 minus 0.645. Yes, of course. Here U33. We were also found that 1.395. Yes, good. Now here L43 is minus 0.717. Once we were aware about L43, then by applying the value in this particular equation, we can get the value of U44. You please check whether the U44 is 1.323.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Apply all the values in this equation. Apply all the equations. Applying will get the results. Right. Here, what is our concern in LU decomposition? Even in a different approach, we can deal. Here, when I'll just a minute. When we were introduced this concept, see here we were considered A is equal to LU. Instead A we were applied LUX, and now we were considered Y is equal to UX. Here the when the LU is equal to B, by doing the forward substitution method, we can find the value of Y. Very importantly, by doing the forward substitution, we can find the value of Y. But on the other hand, by doing the back substitution, we are getting the value of X with the aid of this equation. This is what some other different opinion on different view on this case, that is LU decomposition. Yes. Yes, now try to find the value of Y first. Here I have written the first column at the top, and I am doing multiplication. Therefore, Y1 is equal to 40.8. Concerning the second equation, minus 0.9 into Y1 plus Y2 is equal to 0.8. Then apply the value of Y1. You will get. You take the calculator and check the answer. You take the calculator and check the answer. Y2, whether the Y2 is equal to 20.792. Vignesh.
So yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 20.792.
Very good. The third equation that is minus 0.645 Y2 plus Y3 is equal to A2. Then what would be our Y3? Yes, tell me. I'm waiting for your results. Apply the value for Y2 and get the value of Y3.
14.21.
Very good, 14.21. Then our fourth equation is minus 0.717 into Y3 plus Y4 is equal to 200.8. Apply the value of Y3 and get the value of Y4.
$210.9895.
210 point, oh, very good, 210.989. This is what y. This is what our y. By doing the forward substitution, we derived the values of y. Since we didn't solve, we didn't found the values of x, but our concern is x. Now solve the triangular system for y. ux is equal to y. X, I am applying the various u and y values here, and by doing the back substitution method, we can find the values of x. Now find the value of x4. What is our x4?
$159.477.
Very good. 159.478, and our x3 1.395 x3 minus x4 is equal to 14.211. Our x3 is equal to
124.508.
124.50. Very good. And x2 1.55 x2 minus x3 is equal to 20.792. What is our x2? These four people, what they are doing? Sanjay, Sabarish, Sasikumar, and Ashok.
Calculate.
Yes, you please respond.
Solving.
Yes. What is our x2?
Sir, 93.74, sir.
93.742. Very good, very good. Yes, similarly find the value of x1. 2.04 x1 minus x2 is equal to 4.40, sorry, 40.8. Apply the value of x2, then you will get the value of x1.
Sir, 65.9.
Yes, 65.95. Very good, very good. This is what our results. This is what our results. Finally, solution of the triangular system of equation is uh, presented here. That is x1, x2, x3, and x4. Yes. Now think. I think someone asked. Pranav asked. I think so. Pranav, have you asked the doubt? Now I think your doubts cleared. I think so. Right. Pranav or
Yes.
someone asked about.
I in minus
Is
1
it?
we are taking.
Yes, Pranav. Now your doubts cleared, Pranav. Whether we should keep this -1 or what we need to do. The -1 should be the uniform. Maybe need to maintain, or what we need to have.
Whatever is there for the particular matrix only. I mean, like whatever.
Yes.
Depending on the
That has
matrix.
to be kept in the upper triangular matrix. As a super diagonal, we need to keep the given terms. Then only we'll get an equal matrix. Right? Not to get an equal matrix, we should have the conscious over the upper triangular, and the upper triangular portions of the upper triangular matrix should be as per the given entities. Right? Yes. Yes. This is for your practice. You please get the solution. Solve the following tridiagonal system with the Thomas algorithm. This was the given Thomas algorithm. See here, you doesn't have any minus terms, so we need to keep with 333. Okay, have you Note it down. Hope you note down everything. And the half of the unit 2 portions are over. We'll begin with the iterative methods for system of equations in order to find the same simultaneous linear equation. There are other ways to find the results or iterative methods, and it is an iterative method. We are going to do various iterations, and for that we should have we can depend the various tools, the ready-made tools available in the laptop or a computer. See, we can depend Excel now to get the solutions. Yes, I'll in today's class I'll disseminate some Excel problems. That is, you do your simple calculation in Excel. Whether the additions, subtractions, and multiplications are feasible in Excel. Someone, you please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Now tell me. Yes, I am zooming. This is what 10 and 15. I am trying to make it as center, and now here I need to add. Here I need to subtract. Here I need to do multiplication. Here I need to do division. Yes. Again I am doing center alignment. Yes, this is what my A and B. Yes, I am making this as 20. This is 15. Or let it be 10. Here I need to do the values of addition over these two terms. How it is feasible?
Sir, is equal to sum
Equal
of
to, yes, that is what is equal to. We can get, if it is more than two numbers, we can use sum, and by this way you can get the results. If it is only two, what my suggestion, you make it you put it on a cell and do and give the plus symbol, and again now what was the problem here is it was a center aligned. Now I am temporarily I am making this as a left alignment. So here I am again I am concerned about equal to and then plus here plus and apply B2. Here see this what the address of one particular cell, that is column and row. First it denotes the column, that is A column and second row, B column and second row. In a similar fashion we can do the multiplication, subtraction and multiplication. We can do wonders with Excel. See, we can do wonders with Excel. Now again I'm doing a central alignment. See, now what I can do any iterations, right? Here 10. See, once if we are concerned about an iterative method, or we are depending on a routine task, what we can do, we can depend various softwares in order to reduce the human efforts, right? In a similar fashion, we can do this, we can get the solutions of an iterative methods. And see, in Excel we can feed an information of the matrix and the matrix multiplications, and there are plenty of options are available with Excels. Okay, anything do you want to know about more about Excel? Do you have any specific need to do so? What was last class? What was the last that is 10:30 to 20:20 for me? And Sushma.
Economics class.
Economics for
industrial economics and foreign trade, sir.
For me, you belongs to A class, right?
Yes, sir. Like we
right.
A and B have the same class previously, sir.
It's just a minute. Sushma is the representative for B class, right?
Yes, sir.
Sushma B. Okay. Okay. The last class is industrial economics.
Yes, sir.
Varani's are handling whether
Combined class, sir,
who
for
is
A and B.
who is hand- who is handling handling industrial economics? Who is
Sir,
handling?
Varnitaran sir.
Bharanidharan sir.
Yes, sir. Same for A and B, sir.
Okay, okay. Good. My comparing the yesterday's class, now the attendance is only 30.
Yes, sir. Once we'll ask it in the group and like we'll let you know, sir, why they're not present.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
See, is concerning a problematic paper, and if repeated absentees are there, then it won't be good, and getting ideas over these problems will difficult once you are trying to represent during your CTs, and not to revise the contents. It is very hard when you are revising those contents in a day before. So, in a daily basis, you please read the problematics, respective of numerical methods, whether it might be a problematic paper, then it is suggested to have a conscious over in a daily manner. You please read the things. Any other clarifications in Excel? Shall we do anything with Excel? Yes.
Sir,
I'll,
okay.
else I'll ask some questions. Now we have the term that is A4 and B4, and now I am conscious about which one is greater. Whether it is feasible to find the B1 is greater. My concern is now here B1 is 8 and A1 is A4 is 7. The C4 has to be returned with B4 is greater than the A4. That message has to be popped up. Whether any feasibility for that?
Yes, sir.
See
Okay.
how
Equals to max of A4 and B4. Max function.
yes. Max and minimum can be possible. Like who said Pranav? I think Pranav, you replied.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Max and minimum. Yes, I'll tell you about max. Yes, in one particular column or one particular row, we can find the maximum value. This is what the maximum value among these data, and minimum. We can find the minimum. Okay, max and min will return the values of maximum, minimum. Yes, good. Any other views? See here. Now to find the greater value, if you use if command, if here, see here, the Excel itself, when we are trying to learn Excel has some ready-made package that will return some information. Through that we can learn the Excel. See here, we need to put the logical test first. Now I am concerned about A4. If my A4 is greater than 8, then what has to be done by this logical test? When this logical test is true, what we need to do? Here I am concerned about a text alone, and what must be the text? The A4 is greater. Else you put a comma. Now if my logical test is not true, then it has to be written as 4 is greater.
So should A4 and B4 should be outside of
Outside of
the columns?
the colon are usually used to describe the text. Esting. See here. Now here 9. When it was 10. Okay. Okay. Then if both are equal. Both are equal. Okay, think about it and try to get a solution for if when both are equal, isn't it? We need to depend either again with an if command. We were used one if command and include one more if in the same line in order to do a second logical test. In a similar fashion, we can put a number of if in one particular cell, and with Excel we can do under. So today is once the classes are over, you do some calculations and you do some practices with Excel. Then that will be better to understand about these iterative methods. See here the iterative methods. The iterative methods are solved with the aid of Excel. See here, I'll show you. This is what the problem solved with the aid of Excel. This is not solved manually. So in the same way, I am going to request you to get the solutions through Excel. So you do some practices with Excel. Then that would be better to find the results for the subsequent iterative methods. The usually we are concerned about Jacobi and Seidel method, and that's all about today's class. Any queries? Any queries?
So can you show the last problem used?
Yes. Example 11.
So not this one. This is the homework.
Yes. Someone, you please tell me what is the condition for LU decomposition? Someone please remind me what would be the condition for solving the problem in LU decomposition?
Leading minor should be non-zero.
Of course, leading minor must be non-zero, or leading principal matrix and submatrix must be non-zero. Yes. Is these four? You introduce yourself. Sanjay, Sabarish, Sasikumar, Sitesh. Yes, Sanjay.
Chennai, and I did my 12th at Chettinad Vidyashram. So, and my hobbies are reading books, listening to movies, watching movies and novels, and listening music. Sir.
Very good, very good. Reading books is a very good habit, and appreciations. And if time permits, and in one particular class, we will request you to share the contents which you read in recent days. Good,
Sure.
Sanjay. What is your father and mother?
My father's businessman, sir. He's doing oil transportation, and my mother is housemaid.
Okay, good, Sanjay. Good, Sanjay. Sabarish. Yes, Sabarish. Unmute. First of all, unmute your mic, Sabarish.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes,
sir. I'm Sarabesh from Chennai. My father is a businessman.
Sarabesh. Yes. Sarabesh,
my mother is a housewife.
Usually we need to make it as homemaker. Okay, no issues.
Okay.
You use yes. What is your father?
Businessman.
Yes. Where you did your schooling?
Chettinad Vidyashram, Chennai.
Okay. At present you are in Chennai.
Yes, sir.
Good, Sabash. Do well. Do well.
Okay, sir.
Sasi Kumar.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sasi Kumar.
I'm Kumar from Telangana, sir.
Yes. Yes. Share your screen, Sasi Kumar. Yes, you are attending in the outside. Why you are attending in outside, Sasi Kumar?
Sir, I'm working outside all the time.
You won't get there would be a tower problem in your house. What for what you are attending?
For network.
Net issue. Still, I think still there is an issue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, but it is very hard now from 9:30 to 2 till 4:30. Attending classes in outside is very hard now.
Not every day, sir. Some days, like.
Okay. Anyway, you make alternates and okay. Okay. Once if it is feasible, we'll get about you in later.
Okay, sir.
Good, Sashi.
Okay, sir.
Is last one. Sitesh Ashok Gaikwad. Sitesh. I think Sitesh today absent. I think so. Okay. Hope there are